This is the mini OXO 2-ounce angled measuring cup. This is a really handy cup to have for doing any sort of pool chemicals or hot tub chemicals or spa chemicals. One great feature is that you just put the water in it, and whatever angle it comes out to, that's what it's at. So right now we're just about at 2 ounces, a little bit over. So that gives you a really clear and easy way to tell how many ounces you have.
I'm going to jump in because I love these in the kitchen. Obviously, if you have ones that you're going to use for your outdoor pool chemicals, you're going to want to have dedicated ones that are outdoor pool chemicals, and then dedicated ones that are for your inside if you're doing food prep. But this is really, really easy and convenient because you can look down at it and you can read the level from above. And these provide some extra accessibility for people because you don't have to get down next to it and read it from the side. And they're very, very lightweight, and it floats too. We love these. We have about 3 of these, and we use them all throughout our house, indoors and outdoors.